Ladies and gentlemen, this press conference is called in relation to the detention of 9 individuals arrested at Sungai Cincin, Gombak under the Internal Security Act. And we are concerned that they have not been given access to lawyers. They were arrested on the 21st of January 2010. On the 29th of January, a letter was sent to the Inspector General of Police asking for access. On the same day, a letter was sent to the Home Minister asking for access. And the response from the police on the 3rd of February was that they would be scheduling a meeting with the detainees and inform solicitors about the meeting soon. This was on the 3rd of February. And subsequently, on the 4th, again, the lawyers met with the police at Bukit Aman. They were told that the detainees would be allowed to see the lawyers in a few days, by the 8th of February. Memorandum was submitted to Suhakam. Again, a letter was sent on 20th of February. Long and short of it, up to now, although the hearing has been scheduled for the 10th of March, these detainees have not been given access to lawyers. We've been told that at least one person has been deported, and it is in all likelihood that all the foreigners would be deported as well. The concern we have is that they may be foreigners, but they have protection under the Malaysian laws, Malaysian constitution. Any deportation must comply with the immigration laws of Malaysia, with the federal constitution. They must be given an opportunity to challenge the deportation. There must be a reason for the deportation. Arrest under ISA cannot be a reason. And the concern we have is that despite the hearing scheduled for the 10th of March, I think it is bad faith on the part of the government to deport these persons before the hearing has been scheduled. And we are concerned that what would happen on that day is that the government will take a position that it is functus, fait accompli, and they left the country, and therefore there's no need to proceed with the hearing on the habeas corpus. I think that's blatantly unjust, unfair, and a breach of their constitutional rights under Malaysian law, under the Federal Constitution of Malaysia.
All of you heard what happened for Khalid Salim. Actually, me and Khalid Salim, we came here to Malaysia almost together in the same year. And we stayed together in one house in the beginning when we came. I know Khalid very well. He's my close friend. Really, I'm very disappointed. How come they send him back like this? Since Khalid determines, until now, I was asking to meet him. I have official letter from his family, from the court in Saudi Arabia, to see Khalid. I never get any response from the police. And now, just we hear that even the embassy, they don't tell the embassy until they cancel his visa. They say his visa expired. Okay, how he gonna renew his visa? And he's in the jail. He's full-time student in UIA. He's doing master. He's in the second year. Only 1 year to go. Only 1 year to go on. And then he's gonna finish his master in engineering. Who's gonna pay back for him? His time, his money. He's in the second year in the master, doing master, engineering master. Who's gonna pay for him? Who's the response for this? I'm really disappointed how something like this happened in Malaysia. Since we came, we heard that Malaysia peaceful, peaceful Malaysia. Where is the peaceful which you are talking about? Where is it? And here, again, strongly I want to say that none of them at all are terrorists. No, we are anti-terrorists. All of us. We are not Wahhabi as they called us. No, we are not Wahhabi. We are Salafi. Salafi means anti-terrorist. We call the terrorists as Khawarij. Khawarij means doesn't follow the Islam way anymore because they are terrorists. How come they call us terrorists after that? No, we are not terrorists. We are anti-terrorists. We are teaching the people not to be terrorists. No, we are asking them to practice the true Islam. Islam is not terrorist.
and a lot of them are doing their masters or PhD degrees and trying to finish it. So now to deport them, it's really unfair on them without knowing grounds for the deportation and without allowing them to at least finish their studies. They are here actually on a student pass, and many of them as well have families and children here. So if they are going to be deported, it's most likely that their children and families will also be deported. And I think it's bad faith on the part of the police to do this, because we have written so many letters, we have made so many requests, and until now, although they have promised us verbally, they have not given us access at all. I think the Bar Council as well, I've raised it with the Bar Council. The Bar Council is also extremely disappointed with the courts. We have filed the habeas corpus on the 4th of February 2010. The CJ has promised that habeas corpus hearings will be heard, fixed and disposed of expeditiously. We had to chase the court so many times to try and just get a date, and we got the date on the 10th of March, bearing in mind that they were all arrested in January 2010. They will say that under 73 the police have the powers to detain. They have exhibited some documents, and bear in mind these documents were never given to us, were never given to the family members that they were supposed to under the ISA. We have written so many letters asking for these documents. We have written so many letters to Hishamuddin asking us for the deportation papers. Why can't you just give them to us? Until now they have not given us anything. And then a few days before, they said they filed some affidavits and say, look, oh, I'm sorry, we're going to deport the rest of them. I'm sorry, we're going to make your habeas corpus application academic. Too bad. Are you going on or not?